Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play the Spongebob Squarepants Fun Song on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and we'll need to know 3 chords. Those 3 chords are a D chord, like this, a G chord, and an A chord. Here's the strumming pattern that we'll use to play through the chords. This is a D chord, and we're going to strum down, down, up, up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Here's the chord progression that we'll need to know. D, G, D, A, D, G, D, A, D. Now when we got to that D, A, we played down, 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 down. That's D and A, and then back to D with down, down, up, down. So that's here's the entire thing up to speed. We'll play that progression throughout the entire song.
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
Okay, so that's how we're going to play the Spongebob Squarepants Fun Song on guitar. Now, try to play along with me as we go through the entire song. Here we go.
It's not about winning, it's about fun.
What's that?
What is fun? Let me spell it for you. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
F is for fire that burns down the whole town. U is for your radio. Bombs. N is for anywhere and anytime at all. I don't understand this. I feel on TV inside. Can we stop?
No, that's how you're supposed to feel.
Well, I like it. Let's do it again.
Okay. F is for frolic. Do all the flowers. U is for you can lay.
N is for nose licking, sharing on the sun, licking here with my best buddy.
Well, there you have it, folks. That's the Spongebob Squarepants Fun Song on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.